मैं स्विट्जरलैंड की गवर्नमेंट से कहता हूं कि मेहरान मरी के साथ जो हुआ उस फैसले पे नजरसानी करें और उनको भी वापस रहने की इजाजत दें। और अभी मुझे इत्तला मिली है कि ब्रह्मदाघ बुगटी का असाइलम स्विट्जरलैंड ने मुस्तरद कर दिया है। तो अब आप देखिए कि पाकिस्तान ने प्रेशर डाला, नहीं माना। सऊदी अरब ने कहा, सऊदियों से प्रेशर डलवाया कि सारा पैसा स्विट्जरलैंड के बैंकों से निकलवा लो वरना इनको निकालो। तो स्विट्जरलैंड की हुकूमत, आप अपने यहां से अगर ब्रह्मदाघ को निकाल रहे हो, बुगटी को, मेहरान बुगटी को निकाल रहे हो, तो जनेवा को भी निकाल दो वहां से। मत ड्रामा नचाओ ह्यूमन राइट्स का। फिर खुदा के लिए स्विट्जरलैंड की हुकूमत, प्लीज रिव्यू योर डिसीजंस। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? You are going against human rights, which has been guaranteed in the United Nations Charter. You are going against those charters. Please try to understand and stop victimization against Balochs. If you people have no place for those who have been victimized, under threat, their lives are under threat, they could be murdered, they can be murdered, assassinated in their home, in their in their home country, homeland. They can't go to take refuge. What are you doing? What are you doing? The government of Switzerland? Are you doing according to the United Nations Charter? Which provides the shelter to the victims whose lives are in danger. They provide shelter, and you are extraditing them. If they would kill, if they go back to their country, if they kill, who will be responsible? Who would be responsible? They or you? I humbly request the government of the Switzerland to review their decision and don't extradite Brahumdagh Bugti, Baloch leader. Don't do against anything Baloch leaders. Please, their lives are in danger in Pakistan. If they go back to Pakistan, they would be killed. Not would, must be killed. Please review your decision. Thank you very much.